300 kilometer in X direction and 150 kilometer in this direction. Then I said 1 degree is equivalent to 100 kilometers. So that means from 0, 0, you went 3 degree in X direction and 1.5 degree in north-south direction. So what is the latitude? 1.5 degree. What is the longitude? Longitude is the X, latitude is the Y. Was this thing, now tell me, was this thing covered in the class or not?
No.
Really?
No.
Really?
Yeah, we just did it at Singapore.
Wait, this was not covered in the class? Really?
Yeah.
You must have forgotten.
I would have written recent down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all have to take notes.
I have your notes, okay? Some of you left the copy of your notes. Even that has this information.
1 degree plus 100 kilometers.
Approximately.
Yeah.
It's generally 110 kilometers, but just to make the calculations easy, I kind of told you that it's close to 100 kilometers. Anyways, even if it was not covered, let us assume that whatever you are saying, although I would not really like to assume that, because I spent more than half a day on explaining the nameless section of GeoGrid, where I kind of explained all these things with different examples, and we worked it out on your laptops by changing those variables. Okay, so even if it was not covered, assume it is covered now.
Yes.
So if I give you the example with different values, you should be able to answer it, right? But yeah, so this was the first two part of that question, 6 and 7. The next question was, that was a step further, because if you do these calculations correctly, then that should be easy for you to answer. Now what was the second question? Is this nest 2 completely within this domain or not? Let us see why yes or no. How many points do you want to make in the west-east direction? 100 points. What is the resolution which is going to be of the domain 2? Ratio is 1:3. So it was 30 kilometer. Then the dimension of the second domain is going to be 10 kilometers. So you need from here you need to make 100 points each of 10 kilometers. So you will go how far? No, I'm sorry. From 10 when you started, and now you will make 100 points of each of 10 kilometers. So yes, 1000 kilometers. So from here, 1000 kilometers. Let us see what is the extent of this domain. This was 300 kilometers, right? So from here you need to have 1000. So the second here you reached, this is another 300. So you want 1000 from here, right? This is 300, 300, 300, 300. So the domain is going to be, at least from this side, it is well covered. Now so let's look at the upper side of the, that we have seen from the X direction, it has enough points. So you don't have to worry about it. It will be within that range, the nest that you are making. So the nest ends at 1, 2, 3, somewhere here. So this is your nest, at least one side of the nest. Now let's see where does it go in the on the side. So now you want 100 points, each of 15:3, 5 kilometers. So you need to go 500 kilometers. So from here to here it was 150 kilometers, right? From here to here it was another 150 kilometers. From here to here it was another 150 kilometers. So how many kilometers are this? 150 plus 150, 300 plus 150, 450. And how far do you need to go? 500. That means your domain will be crossing it from this direction. And if that happens and you run your GeoGrid, it will show error what? That domain is out of the bound of parent domain. Remember we got those errors when we were trying out. Okay? So this was the domain, second domain. Because this configuration is not possible, nest cannot cross your parent. A nest is not allowed to cross the parent, so this configuration will not work. But the answer was, it will not be within the domain. Okay? Now the second question. If I change my ratio to be 1:5, then let's do this thing. 1:5 means 30 by 5 is 6 kilometers. And I want to travel 100 points each of 6 kilometers, which is basically 600 kilometers. So I'm pretty safe here. I was anyway safe because if 1:3 was safe from this side, and that is the case here. Now let's look at the vertical direction. 15:3 is 15:5 is, now the ratio is 5, right? The fourth question. The ratio was 1:5. So the ratio now is 5, so it is 3 kilometers. I need to go 300 kilometers now. From here to here it was 150 kilometers. Here to here it is 300 kilometers. And I have still something left. So my nest hence it is now within the domain. Okay? Even if you have tried doing these things, at least by doing this calculation, now it is clear where your nest is going, right? If I'm happy if somebody could locate that it has to travel 1,000 kilometers. If it could locate it has to travel now 300 kilometers. Even if you could locate that, that is a good starting point. Keep in mind, guys, you started studying this subject just 1 week before. I'm not expecting you to do very, very well. But I really appreciate that you thinking on the correct lines or not. That is important. That's why when I saw each one of you doing this problem in somewhat correct direction, I was happy to see that, and I said, let's not make the groups. Because that was the good thing that you all attempted this problem with the correct approach. Okay? Now we have two options. Doing a problem of this sort or running the model on some test data. Let's do that model on test data. That's a